Hi guys, we are reviewing these two. Okay? I am gonna say what I think about them. Right? Let's see, so we've got Hula Hoops, Big Hoops, Barbecue Beef. They are iconic, they're saying. Iconic. Got some of them. Then they're from Co-op. Then Chorizo, Chilli Heatwave. We're gonna kind of see what are the best. They're two different brands. Okay, I was gonna do a completely different review today. Now the new Walker's crisp I was gonna do. But we're gonna try them to see what I think about them. Let's try this one first. Right. Let's see what I think about it. Okay guys. We're just gonna taste test them and smell them. Okay, I'm not uploading YouTube for much. Thank you so much for 705 subscribers. Really appreciate that. Within a year, that's a lot of subscribers. I've seen other YouTubers never get that at that time, but I have. So thanks so much for all the supporters that I have subscribed to my channel. So guys, that's it, Chris. Guys, I'm actually going to show you. I'm just showing you it better. Double camera's not as clear as that. Chilli there, it's proper one. Right. But the calorie there is it 12 grams, it's not healthy. 240 calories there. You can just look at that. Ingredients, it's got. Look at that, guys. So I'm going to go onto the front camera now. Seeing from that last clip. Now we're going to taste test and see what nice. Smell test first. It smells chilli. Smells a chilli taste. Right, let's taste test it. Like that. Let's try it again. And that's the last bit. Let me see what our thoughts were. I'm going to get the next packet. They're popular. From America. But they're selling this country, guys. They don't blow my mind. No. To be honest, they don't blow my mind at all. Slightly chilli taste. That's all really. A slight chilli taste. But there's hardly no kick in the throat. There's not much kick in it. I've tried about 3 actual crisp shapes. Get that about a solid. It's not bad. I give it a solid 5 out of 10. There's no chilli taste to it. It has got that Nacho's original taste to it. But it doesn't taste like the Chilli Heatwave. They don't taste like it. 5 out of 10. They're a total disaster. They're not a disaster, guys. I don't know why I said that. They're kind of in the middle. They're okay. But they don't taste like Chilli Heatwave. Right, let's get the next one. Chilli. No, it's not. It's Hula Hoops, Big Hoops, Barbecue Beef. We're gonna see what they're like, guys. But yeah, we'll see what they're like. Right, let's just get them into a review. Right, yeah? You can win £100, it said, the cash prize. There, guys, let me just get a good feel of it. There, guys. That's the crisp inside of it, guys. We're just gonna see what they're like. Smell test. This is barbecue beef. Oh. 2 different brands, basically. They're not owned by each. I was gonna do New Walker's crisp, but they didn't have any in the Co-op shop. Yeah, it smells like barbecue. If they do, then that's a solid 10. They're okay. They're odd. That's the only thing I don't like about Hula Hoops. I bought them to taste awesome. The only thing I don't like about Hula Hoops is they're hard and dense. Good. Get there. It's got a nice flavour. Yeah. So about this when I'm open. So about eating when I'm talking. That's how we do reviews. I don't take any notice of the haters, guys. But good for commenting, haters, for more views. Right, guys. Gonna give that about It's okay. It's a slight beef flavour, not much. A slight, yeah. I do taste a bit of it. I'll give it a 6. It's not so bad, guys. So, yeah, guys, that's the review today. So, guys, comment below. Say no, I don't know how to say it. Comment below to say, well done for reaching 705 subscribers. Just comment below and say, well done for reaching 705 subscribers. 705, because that's crazy to me. I never knew I'd get that far. Guys, if you can do that, I appreciate that. And you never know, we might get to 1k subscribers. I have got more views on Facebook, basically. So, you'll get to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time for review. Let's reach 800 subscribers this time. We can do this. See you next time for review.